Hello my dear students, welcome back again. So in this video we are going to learn one more concept called as favicon, or you can pronounce it as favicon. So what is this favicon? To understand this, we need to go to any random website. Let's go to our website called as this GWizAcademy.com, or let's say google.com, or you can also open ibm.com. Whatever website we open, whenever we open any website, this is IBM's official website. There is an image here, if you can see it, right? Okay, even if I zoom in, I will not be able to, yeah. So anyways, here where the title of this particular page is being displayed, there is an image being displayed as well here, right? And if you go to google.com, here as well we see the Google icon over here. And same way, if we go to our website GWizAcademy.com and see that there is this icon called as GWiz Academy as well being displayed. But if I see this web page that we are going to create, we are creating right now, we can simply see this title over here, but there is no icon being displayed here. This particular icon is what is called as favicon, right? So in this video, this is what we will see, how to add favicon to our HTML page, right? So it is going to be interesting thing. The first thing that you need to make sure is you cannot or should not, you can, but you should not upload any random image. To use the image, you need to have generally images comes with the format PNG format, .png or .jpeg, right? So for favicons we need image format in .ico. You can call it as .icon or whatever, but we need .ico format. So there are so many converters: favicon, creator, online. If you have a logo of your company, then you can simply upload it. Favicon.io, this is completely free. There are so many generators out there. You can simply upload it and PNG to ICO, text to ICO, or emoji to ICO, whatever, you can go ahead and use it. But what I would recommend is favicon.cc. So this is a very simple editor. It is completely free. You can visit this website and upload your image, logo, company logo, and it will generate an image for you. It will generate an icon, and you can just click this download icon and save it on your desktop. I have saved an icon on my desktop here, favicon clear. The name is any name, you can, whatever you want, you can name it as favicon.clear.ico. if you see this inside properties, you will see this is a file type is icon and extension is .ico. We need to upload icon, in the sense it is considered as an icon type, it is not an image anymore. Okay, so once it is converted into an icon, now we are ready to upload it. So how to upload it? So let's go back to our directory here. This is a directory where we are working. I'll create a file, I'll create a folder, let's say, called as images, because whenever we create multiple images, it will be difficult to identify. These are programming files and there are images files, there will be script files. So it is better to create a folder for image separately and upload all the folders over here. So what I'll do is I'll copy this file, this icon, and put it inside this image folder so that it is neatly organized. Whatever images I'll be using in further videos, or in case, then I'll be uploading the same images here only, inside this folder only. So let me go back to my editor here, and I can see there is a folder created called as images. Perfect. Now what I'll do, I'll go ahead and create a new file called as chapter 11 for favicon.html. Perfect. So what I'll do, I just need everything from last chapter. Or let's say I don't want any content over here, but I'll need just HTML standard boilerplate. So how to write declare HTML? Let me clear this. Okay, so how to start HTML writing? You just need to declare it, document type, and then HTML, and then we have this HTML start, HTML close, and then we have head start, head close, and then we have body start, body close. Inside head stack we have this title, start, title, close. This is the title. Okay, on the left, okay, let's write chapter 11 Favicon. Perfect. So inside body we won't have anything. Let's say div p tag. Here we learn how to use Favicon, or how to implement Favicon on our HTML document. Perfect. So till now here you are clear, right? So let me go back to this folder and Favicon. Let me open this in our browser. Perfect. So this title is there, text is there, but there is no Favicon over here. So what we have done till now is we have created a folder and we have got our image ready. So make sure the image is not in a image format, it is in a icon format, in the sense .ico. How to generate that? Whatever image you have, what you need to do, make sure it is a square shape and go to this favicon generator.favicon.cc and upload your image and generate your favicon and download it. Okay. So once it is downloaded, once it is kept, what is the code that we need to write? This is what is the actual video, actual thing that you need to concentrate here. Under this title, what you need to do, write a tag called as link. Perfect. So this link, why we need this link? Link tag is used to generate a link of this document that we are writing. See, whatever document we are creating this is the ch11 file. So this document is outside this folder and the image is inside the folder. So how to create a relationship between this particular file and this folder and again this icon? So whatever code I will be writing inside this favicon HTML file is, that should go and see inside this directory. Is there any image folder? Yes, there is an image folder, and inside that image folder is there a favicon clear file? Yes, there is a file, and pull it and you apply that particular icon here inside chapter 11. How to do that? We will do that by code. So for that I'll use a relationship tag called as link, and you need to write an attribute called as rel, and here you need to specify it as icon, and then type is image or icon, and then href attribute. First thing is we need to go to images, and then we need to write the file name favicon clear.ico, right? And then a double inverted comma close, and then we write // This is not needed, but still, yeah. So once you save it and go back to and refresh it, perfect. So what we did here is we applied a favicon, this image. First we went to our website and converted our PNG file into ICO file, and then downloaded it, and then went to our folder, went to our present working directory, and then created a folder, and inside folder we added that image, and then from our code editor we wrote this line called as link tag. Link tag will need 3 attributes. First is rel attribute, and second is type attribute, and then href attribute. You just need to remember this icon, rel, the value you need to pass is icon, and then type you should mention image slash icon, and then href. Href is nothing but you are linking that particular folder here. So we are referring to this particular folder which is in the same directory in which we are working. Images, for the name has to correctly match. If you type something wrong here, it won't work. See, so you should target the right folder, images, and then inside images favicon clear.icu with extension you need to write. So once you have completed this thing, writing this rel attribute, type attribute, and href attribute, if you go here and refresh, your favicon will reflect, right? So this is how you add a favicon to any HTML file, or anywhere in future. From now onwards, you should be confident enough to add favicon to your document or your code, right? So I hope you understood this clearly. Go ahead and practice it. So is it compulsory to create this image folder and then add image inside that? Like, why shall I not add it here directly? Yes, obviously you can add, and all you just need to do is just, instead of images, you just need to write the image name here, but it is not scalable, right? In case what if later on in this same document you will have multiple 10 or 15 images, all images will be mixed up with the programming files as well. So it is not useful. So it is better to organize it neatly and learn to organize it neatly from the start itself, right? So that's the reason I have created this image folder, and then I have added image inside that particular folder. So I hope you have by now you know how to add a favicon to your HTML document. So I hope you learned this, and if you have any questions or if it doesn't work for you, please let me know in the comment section or in the Q&A section or live chat support, right? So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next chapter. Thank you.